Works with Alexa and others. Includes 3 feet 3 inches of strip plus controller plus power supply plus US plug. Connects via Wi-Fi, so no hub needed. Extend up to 32.8 feet, 700 lumens per strip up to a maximum. Free app for control, effects, schedules and more. Top reviews from the United States. Great lights. Took me a moment to install. LIFX customer support very helpful. I struggled to initially get these lights connected to my Wi-Fi. The LIFX name would pop up under Setup New Device under my Wi-Fi but then wouldn't connect overall. I did the troubleshoot from the website provided in the package, but ultimately had to call LIFX support to get them fully connected. LIFX support were so helpful and literally walked me through step by step until they confirmed my lights were connected and working. Something to keep in mind for others connecting for the first time. The home button on the LIFX app swipes left, right, so be sure to check there to complete your setup. I missed it the first, second and third go around.